We're in the Great Waters kitchen with Chef Gerald Schmidt, and you have sort of an international cooking tip for us, right?
We do, Tracy. What we're going to be making is preserved lemons. Preserved lemons are used for flavoring food, primarily in a lot of the Arabic cuisines, as well as North Africa, Morocco, etc. What we're going to need to do, this is a finished product right here, and as you can see, it kind of looks a little bit pale. What's happened is it's been in the salt. We're going to have sea salt, a little bit of sugar, and lemon juice, and we're going to season them up, and we're going to actually put them back into the glass jar like that. They can last for a long time under refrigeration, and I'll show you what we're going to do with them after the application, after we're done with the demonstration of how to make the preserved lemons. First off, we want to put some gloves on because the lemon juice will find every little cut you might have on your fingers.
And sting you.
A little bit. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to remove the part that comes off the tree.
Okay, so just the one end.
Just the one end, okay? And what we want to do is put as many lemons that we possibly can into the jar. So we want to do that first, just to try it to make sure that we fill up the actual jar itself with the lemons, which we already done.
Yep, so we know how many fit in there.
That's correct. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, on the opposite side where we cut, we're going to take and we're going to cut this lemon about 3/4 of the way down, like that.
Okay.
We're not going to sever it. We're going to keep it attached at the bottom. So we're going to repeat that. On all of our lemons. Now this preserved lemon is absolutely wonderful for putting into dishes to flavor them. It gives a nice lemon quality. You really don't pick up the salt all that much.
Okay.
Okay. So now that I have my lemons cut, we're going to take and we're going to mix our sugar. Now how much sugar? I have approximately, just a little bit shy of a 1/2 cup, probably about a little bit more than 1/4 cup and a little bit less than a 1/2 cup.
Okay. So
And
it's not an exact science here.
Right.
Okay.
And I have about a cup of sea salt. Now, I highly recommend that you use sea salt or kosher salt. Do not use iodized salt in this. And the pure fact of that is iodized salt is very, very salty. Okay, and then we're going to take and we're going to open up our lemons a little bit where we scored them and pack them with salt. Then we're going to put them into the jar, just like this.
Yeah, I can see why you'd want gloves at this point,
Yes,
too.
absolutely. We want to make sure that we're packing them in there. Thank
Okay.
you. Now, we use a good amount of preserved lemons. I strongly suggest that you don't maybe make so many. Maybe 4 lemons would be an appropriate amount to make. But what's neat about this is you can get nice little designer glass jars and make some up and give them as gifts. It's kind of fun. A lot of our members would enjoy that. Just like that. And then one more, the last one, the big one. And we're going to pack him in there just like that. Now what we're going to do here, Tracy, is we're going to take and we're going to put the rest of that salt sugar mixture in here just like that. Whoop. We're going to add our lemon juice.
About how much do you have of that?
About 1/4 cup.
Okay.
Pack them in there, cut the lid, and we're done.
Okay, and you put those in the refrigerator.
Put that in the refrigerator. In about 4 to 6 weeks, they'll be completely prepared. You can also invert it every once in a while to keep it mixed up, and there you have it. Now, the way you use this lemon is by taking it and peeling that off. And you're only going to use the rind part.
Oh, okay.
And I like to get most of that white off of there.
Okay.
I need a real sharp knife. And then we'll use that rind. Now, wonderful in couscous, wonderful in rice pilaf, wonderful and a nice basting solution for fish. It works very, very well. And there you have it. Preserved lemon.
Beautiful. Okay, another great tip from Chef Gerald Schmidt.